Hey, so hi guys, this is my last video on the employee module. I wanted to quickly take you through certain key features also which we have in our application. So apart from all the information which I showed you on the employee side and on the admin side, we have very good features like in case of any batch update which you want to do. So typically this is very useful when bulk employees are moved from one department to another department, one location to another location. So you can do a batch update, which is available in our application. We also have a transfer feature. So in case your employee is moved from one of your legal entities to another legal entity also, and you want to move all that information from entity A to entity B. So all that information also can be updated. Also, in case he's an approver or a manager, all the notifications which are set in entity A can be moved to the entity B. So all these options are available in our application. The other important thing which I wanted to showcase you was on the reporting side. So how the report structure and the MIS structure works in EasyHR is like we have bifurcated it module wise. So like you can view all your employee related reports in the employee management module, leave related reports in the leave management, attendance in the attendance module. Overall, we have like around 200 plus reports which we have built in our application. And also we have our own report designer tool which we have built where you can design all your own reports on your own. I'll just take you through one sample report which will give you an idea, what all features we have when you generate a report. So in the reports tab here, you can see there is an employee list report. Once you click on that, you get a lot of filter options like based on date of joining, what is the employee status. You want to look at only the active employees or terminated or left, retired, whatever status you have kept in the application. Again, for all companies or only for a specific companies. So for example, I don't select anything, I keep it blank. So my report will gather the entire information of all the employees in my organization across my legal entities. So here you can see a report has been generated. It shows around 25 entries are there into my application and all this information is available. The best part is again within the report also in case you want to do a filter or you want to set up sort it, you can do it from here. We also have an option where you can search within the report. So for example, I searched a term called as J, and the information wherever J as an information is available, it is showing. Uh, so again, this is a wildcard search. So what happens is whenever you press a space and you enter another word, so what the system does is it starts filtering more information about the search query which we have. So this is very useful and which can be used which is used by a lot of organization. Apart from that, we have features like if you want to directly copy this information, so I'll just click on copy and I can just open my Word Windows Word, and I can just go here and paste this information. So this is also one option which is available. Or if I want to directly export it as an Excel sheet, I just do this and I will just save it on my desktop. Okay. And the moment it gets saved, I will just click it and the data will be available in an Excel format. So here you can see my entire information is available in an Excel format. Similarly, CSV format, PDF, if you want to directly print it, this can go directly to your printer and directly print the entire thing. A very good feature which we have again developed is of scheduling of reports. So what we had seen over the years is typically your HR managers invest a lot of their time in generating reports and then sending it to their managers or sending it to the management, and this needs to be manually done. So what we did is we created a scheduling option where you can set up an occurrence. Say for example, you need all your active employees data on a monthly basis, and this email should be triggered at 11 o'clock starting from say 1st June, and this should be emailed to my CEO, this should be emailed to my CFO, and this should be emailed to my managing director. And what options I want to give? I want to give them an Excel option also. I want to give them a PDF option also. And I can just click on schedule report. So what automatically my system will do is it will schedule reports. Uh, That defined time, it will generate the report and email it to the users which you have set into the uh, reporting module. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. This is again Shripal from EasyHR. Thanks a lot.